guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna bring you guys with me for a productive day of my life. I'm doing my skincare and I have church at 10, so I'm just getting ready for church. That's gonna consist of my day. I might get something to eat afterwards, I don't know. And before I go to church, I have to film this video for this brand so that I can get it posted up before the end of the day. I'm gonna get cute and film it, and then yeah. So let me finish up my skincare and my hair, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, so here's the fit for today: a black top, some jeans, my black sandals, and my every jewels jewelry that I wear all the time. But yeah, that is today's fit, and I'm wearing a black purse with this. So yeah, I just got done filming my brand collaboration. I'm gonna send the video over and all that stuff. But yeah, I filmed that, and when I get home, I'll show you guys what they sent me. I don't feel like doing that right now because I'm about to leave. But yeah. Hey guys, so I want to show you guys two PR packages that I received. So the first one, I already opened it, obviously, because I can't take pictures. But this brand that I worked with, Brush Bubbles, sent me this travel set, and I thought it was super cute, like a little makeup brush and the case to go over it so that it don't get dirty or germs. I thought that was cute. And then this other brand called No Shinku, I really think I'm saying it right, I don't know. They sent me these cute little hand sanitizers. Like, how cute is that? And let me show y'all how they look, how it looks. Look at this. This is so cute. And this is eucalyptus and this is lemon. And y'all, they smell real good. And I already posted content for them today already. But yeah, this friend sent me some skincare stuff, and not skincare stuff, PR packages. And yeah, but I'm just gonna home from church. I'm tired. I'm gonna relax, and I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. I think I'm gonna just do a weekly vlog, because why not? But y'all see y'all tomorrow. Good morning guys, it's the next day. So today is Monday, and I'm prepping. I have videos coming out today, like how I edit. By the time you see this video, that video will already be out, so I'll attach it in the iCard so you guys can click it and look at it. But I went to Dunkin' this morning, got me a little iced coffee. Yeah, but I don't really have anything to do today. I have to take my sister to her interview, and then I'm just gonna be relaxing today because I don't got nothing to do for real, y'all. And yeah, so that's my day. But yeah, but let me finish prepping to upload my video. I meant to post my video and stuff, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Good morning guys, so today is the next day, and me and my mom have a few errands to run, and I'm just gonna bring guys with me. I made some coffee to get my morning started because it's really early, like 7:30 almost. It's early. And yeah, it's a little chilly outside, so I have on a white top that I got from Princess Polly, some jeans, and my Vans. And yeah, so that is the plans for today. I'm just gonna bring you guys with me for the day. Y'all already know where we at. We got Goodwill, so we finna go in, look around, and my mama, come on. But yeah, so we finna go in, look around, see if we can find anything cute. So let's go. Yeah, I'm trying to find some spring dresses. This is cute. I like that. Look at this one. I like this. That's cute. Y'all look. It got my name on it. That is too cute. Y'all, we at Zaxby's. We finna eat. And yeah, so let's see. Y'all, say hey, Mom. Hi. We at Best Buy. We finna go look around. I'm finna go look at my camera so I can hold it because I'm getting it. But yeah, we just came to stop at Best Buy to look around. Yo, this is cute. Well, this is Sony Z. I wanted this one. At least I want one of these. I like how it looks. Oh, this is Sony V10. I like this one. Oh, wait, how the back? There we go. Yeah, I either wanted this one or I wanted the Canon V10, but I don't know if they have that. Hey guys, so I'm back home, and as you guys seen earlier, I went to Goodwill, and so I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of what I got. So I got that book that I showed you guys only because it had my name and I thought it was super cute. So I got the book and I'm gonna read it to my niece. The next thing I got was this cup. Y'all, look how cute this is. I love the color. It's called Bubba. The brand is called Bubba. I've never heard of it, but y'all, this cup is only $3.99. Like, hello. So I'm gonna disinfect it, and I got me a cute new cup. So the next things I got 2 shirts, and because I don't have a lot of gray clothing, I have like 1 gray shirt and a gray jacket. That's the only color grays I have, so I'm going to add more gray to my closet. So I got this cute, I'm obsessed, I can't wait to wear it, this like little cropped crew neck, and it says Los Angeles. And y'all, this was only $6.99. Like, and it's long sleeve. Like, look how cute that is. Hello. And the last thing I got is this cropped tee, and it's from Wild Fable, and y'all, this was only $6.99. So I thought that was cute, so I got this one to add to my clothes. So I was like, why not? It's cute. But yeah, that's all I got. And I'm tired. We've been out all morning, and I'm gonna just relax. And yeah, so see y'all. I'm making some Toll House cookies. These are the best cookies, so let me get this up.